Did you know the Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest in the world? The oldest person in the world is said to have been on such a diet. Today, we'll break it down. Watch till the end, because I will be sharing 3 simple Mediterranean meal recipes to protect your heart and transform your health. The Mediterranean diet isn't just a meal plan. It's a lifestyle. Rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. This diet is proven to reduce the risk of heart disease, improve brain health, and promote longevity. This diet focuses on whole foods like olive oil, fish, nuts, seeds, and fresh produce. It emphasizes plant-based eating with occasional servings of lean meat and dairy, all while avoiding processed foods and sugars. I promise to share to you my favorite Mediterranean meal recipes I highly recommend, and you can modify and personalize them as well. Here we go. Meal 1. Greek salad with olive oil dressing. This classic dish combines fresh vegetables, heart-healthy olive oil, and a sprinkle of feta cheese or any cheese for flavor. It's quick, nutrient-packed, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Meal 2. Grilled salmon with lemon and herbs. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Pair it with roasted veggies for a complete wholesome meal. Meal 3. Whole grain pasta with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Swap refined pasta for whole grain and add a generous amount of homemade pesto. This dish provides fiber, healthy fats, and plenty of flavor. 5th, practical tips. To follow the Mediterranean diet, include olive oil in your cooking, eat seafood twice a week, and load up on fruits and vegetables. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Which Mediterranean meal will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy food tips.